Hello and welcome to the video. This channel is all about my two rescue kittens, Maud and Myfanwy, who are just settling into their new home. They have very healthy appetites. First to the plate is Maud. The food they're eating is what the rescue centre gave me to bring home with them, so it was familiar and they loved it. Now it's Myfanwy's turn. Maud just checking in to see if Myfanwy is ready to play again yet, but no such luck. A little later I tried them out on some wet food, also given to me by the centre. They don't appear to have any food rivalry, and they share and take turns nicely. I don't know about you, but I love to listen to them eating. They soon polished off all the food, and after a short clean-up, it was back to playing and exploring their new home. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more Maud and Myfanwy videos, and we'll see you next time.